Middle part quick weave, let's go. So let's do this step by step. So the first thing I do is oil my scalp because my scalp be dry. So since I'm putting a protective solution over top, it's okay to lightly oil your scalp. It won't hurt the quick weave or anything like that. So I'm using hair from Asteria Hair. I have 3 bundles of straight 18, 20, 22, and I colored it. It's springtime and you want some spring hair color. So let me show you how to do these easy, simple highlights. So I'm using Asteria Hair. It said it's 100% unprocessed hair. So I wanted to 100% see. So I'm using 4N and some 30 volume developer because I want to take the black off the hair. So I didn't want these highlights to be very stark. So I'm going to dye the hair a little bit brown, just like a dark brown, like a medium brown, just to take that darkness off. So when I put the blonde highlights, it doesn't look as stark. So you can't really see, but if you look a little bit, it has like a little bit of a brown tint. So to do these highlights, I undid the thing. I folded the hair in half and then I folded it in half again. And then I put these rubber bands on each side. So it looks like this. And I'm going to take my L'Oreal Quick Blue and I'm going to use 12 AA. This is High Lift Cool Blonde. And I'm going to use 40 volume developer for the bleach and for the hair color. Now, if you do not know how to do this, take this to a hairstylist. So I was a hairstylist for 20 years. So I used to do this for my clients. But if you do not know how to bleach hair or do hair, just take it to a professional to get it done. But this is super quick and this is super easy. You can also get box dye if you want to get box dye, if you don't feel comfortable mixing hair color. So I just weft through this just as if I'm doing it on the natural person's hair. And this is going to give us our highlight effect, but it's like a cheat thing because I folded it in half and then folded it in half again. So it's highlighting all the hair at the same time instead of like doing like all these individual highlights. I just mixed the 2 colors together and you should have 3 packs, 3 highlight things per row. I put that in the dryer, a little house dryer thing, and until I got honey blonde. Now if you want it lighter, you can do it lighter, and you also want to tone with something that's like shimmering lights or like a blue to take the yellow out. The wefts on here is kind of thin, so I doubled the wefts when I put it in. I hate when I can't see the back of my hair when I'm doing my hair. So wait a minute, ladies, I got a solution for you. So this is a 3-way mirror. It comes with the hooks on the back, so all you have to do is put it on the top of your door. You can adjust it to whatever height you like, and bam. And it also comes with a light, so when you're doing your quick weaves, you're doing your boho braids, you can be able to see the back of your hair, so you can get your parts straight, you can get your quick weaves right, you can put your glue on right. This is a game changer. No more making a mess on the back of your head because you can't see it. And when you're done, all you have to do is just take it down, fold it up, and store it for the next time that you're ready to do your hair. Trust me, don't hesitate. Get you one right now. And when I got to the top, I started to single them again. And when you're doing the top of your quick weave, you want to start laying the tracks in like a U shape so that it gives you like that flowy front situation like that. And I wanted to cut some layers in it, so I cut some layers in it. I normally don't wear straight hair like that, but I was like, let me see what it looks like straight. So I was like, oh, let me see if it's going to give a little bit. So to make my part more sleeker, I just use some old mascara just to give it like that sleekness that it needs, and edge control on my edges just to give it a little something, not too much. And I was like, do I like it straight? I was like, it's giving a little bit. I love the color, but I was like, I don't know. I'm not normally like a straight girl. What y'all think? Y'all like it straight? But I was like, I'm not really too much of a straight girl like that. The layers was popping and everything, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna throw some curls in it. So I'm more of a loose curl girl. So I just grabbed my big barrel curling iron and just threw a few curls in there. And I was like, yes, this is more like me. I love a loose curl situation. The hair is popping. Is it cute or what?